Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Current air temperature coming in at 76 degrees. We have a dew point value coming in at 74. The combination of the two really doesn't alter the temperature all that much. So we have a heat index exactly the same as the air temperature. We're just at that borderline when we'll start talking about heat indexes, which we will this afternoon, no doubt about it. We'll be looking at, with a dew point value of 74, heat index is close to 100 again. Hit 92 yesterday, and we'll probably do about the same again today. So 78 degrees by 7 a.m., mix of fair weather clouds and clear skies. And then as we head to the noontime hour, the heat gets turned on, looking at 90 around that time. And we'll have a kind of a prolonged period of several hours in a row of temperatures that'll be in the 90s. So it's going to be kind of a sweltering afternoon, 92 by 3 with 10% chance of showers, 10%. That's it. Normally, on a typical summer day at this time of year, you'd be looking at a 50% chance of rainfall. So clearly, some drier air has kind of turned off the Florida rain machine right now. We have a 7 p.m. temperature coming in the 80s. So we had a little trough of low pressure sinking southward that kicked off showers. Now that's moved into the Gulf, and that line of showers is helping to produce the stuff we see out there in the Gulf waters, the flashes of lightning. None of that is a bother to us. It remains out in the Gulf, drifting further and further away from the Florida coastline. Drier air continues to sink in behind that line of showers, and that is what is going to limit our rainfall chance today. Dry across the region currently. Morning commute, fine. There's crisp, looking pretty impressive at this hour, actually. What it's tending to do is around the periphery of all this cloud. Well, what goes up must come down, right? So as you lift that air and create these clouds along the periphery, what comes up must go down, and you get sinking air. That dries air out, sinking air does, and you get this dry slop that comes around the edge of our tropical storm and reduces the rain chances across the state of Florida. So what we need to do is move Chris out of here and start to twist our winds more to a southerly direction, and then that will help to restore our rainfall chances. Probably won't happen until later this weekend. We also have all the remnants of Beryl just continuing to drift across parts of Hispaniola and Puerto Rico, unfortunately, bringing more heavy rain showers there. That will eventually lift northward, maybe strengthen, and once it does that, perhaps we might see it regenerate. If it does, anyway, it moves out into the open waters of the Atlantic. Maybe the Bahamas gets a hit, but it won't be much. And it just produces some, nuisance showers out in the open waters of the Gulf. For boating today, northwest wind comes in at about 10. We'll look for a light chop. Nice day, actually, out on the waters. Just watch out for that one line of showers well offshore. Nearshore water should be fine, though. 2-foot seas, light chop, should be nice boating weather. So we look today at a daytime high that again tops out warm, around 92. Tomorrow about the same, 10%, that's it. Chance of rainfall with that drier air in place. We'll start to twist the winds, bring in a little trough of low pressure to our south, enhance the rainfall chances with some extra moisture. And as we head into the weekend, we'll start to up our rain chances just a little bit, up to about 40%. So that's pretty good. We'll probably see a few showers around over the weekend. And then as we head into next work week, we'll keep that 40% chance of rain.